Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. We are here in Mesa, Arizona at the ElectraMeccanica factory that is currently under construction. We've been out here a couple times over the last 6 months or a year, whatever it's been, watching the progress. There's not much to see on the outside, so we don't come by that often, and we can't fly over because we are about 400 feet from an airport. The backyard to ElectraMeccanica, right there, that fence line back there is an airport. So we really can't fly here at all, but we wanted to give you another update. This is where we're at on the factory. They don't have a sign up yet. We're gonna do a quick walk up the front, and then we'll walk back, and we'll just take a little video for you guys to see, and I'll probably come back on a little voiceover and tell you what the latest is on ElectraMeccanica and the solo vehicle that they will be building here. So let's go take a look at that. Okay guys, we're back in the office now, and you can see what big changes have happened since the last time we were there. Here are some pictures of the last time we were at the site, which was back in September. And obviously the last time there weren't even walls up, so quite a bit of progress. Again, we're not flying because we really choose not to because of the proximity of the airport. We could get clearance to fly, but there's too much to see at this. There isn't too much to see at the site. It's kind of just a big box, and they're not digging out things and putting in paint booths, and so they put up the walls, put up a roof, and that was it. So it's not an extremely exciting site to fly over, so we don't make all that effort that there would be to get approval from air traffic control. And in some of these pictures you can see how close the planes are, so for us it's just not worth it. But let's talk about the factory. The factory is supposed to be completed by midsummer. It's going to have a production capacity of 20,000 solo units. That's per year. And that's quite a bit. That's like 55 per day. And they really don't have like a logistics parking area for solos that are getting shipped out. So I don't know where they would put 55 a day, because they would have to have them in and out as soon as they're being produced, because there just isn't a whole ton of room. The factory itself is going to be about 235,000 square foot, so I'm sure that they can store some inside. I don't think that they're having a showroom, but they might. There's supposed to be like a training area in this place also. So where everything's going to go, we'll find out as time goes on. Hopefully one day we can get a tour of this place. But speaking of tours, we actually have a test drive set up for this weekend, and we're going to have a video come out early next week. And it's going to be showing me driving the car. So remember, I'm 6'4", so we're going to see how I fit in there. We're going to take it on a drive. Hopefully they don't have a test track and they actually let me take it out on the road. If they do, we're going to get some footage of me driving along on the freeway, and we'll see how fast it can go. Though it's supposed to go 80 miles per hour, and the range is 100 miles. So we're going to test whatever they let us test, and we're going to get some video for me inside driving, and we'll get some video. Hopefully we can get some video of me following. Just depends on where we are and what they allow. So the stock price is currently at $212. That's off quite a bit from its 1 year high of $974. So hopefully if they can get these things produced and start getting them delivered, their stock price will, turn around. Last year in 2021, they delivered 61 solos, and the price of each vehicle is $18,500. So you guys let me know what you think about the solo. Let me know if you've invested, if you've ordered one. I'm just curious if what everyone thinks about this. And I'm going to hold off my opinion of the Solo until I drive the car or motorcycle or three-wheeler, whatever it is. I'm going to hold off my opinion until I drive it. And then I'll let you guys know what I think. So if you like this video and you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button. And then you'll see it. You'll see this next video coming up on probably like Monday of next week. And also check us out on Twitter at Bears Workshop, and take a look at the end of the video where we'll list our patrons, the people who are supporting this channel. If you want to help support the channel, please take a look at the link in the description below. But that's all I got for right now. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.